Here are your Cleveland Monsters.
Guys, what is up today? I am a proud Clevelander and a Cavalier fan and a Cleveland Monsters fan and a Fox Sports Ohio / NHL Network fan. I'm a video / social media producer and I have over 4,000 followers on Twitter and I have over 1,000 Instagram followers. And yeah, I mainly just do. Whether creating social media content or video content, I just go what's on my mind and I just go for it. So that is me, basically. And I also met Nick Jonas and gave him my business card. And I also got tweeted by Nick Jonas for my happy birthday message last year as well. I have a little tweet with you. Okay. So yes. Yeah. So that is pretty much it. Yeah, that's really pretty much it.